ako ng train. Ala, ano to, pasahero or cargo train?
Cargo lang yan.
It looks like different. Maganda sana na umpisahan yung pinaka-umpisa. Sigaw ako ng sigaw kanina, nakita ko yung cargo train. It's very long. Na anyway.
Very long.
Yeah.
Our train in the Philippines is very short.
And the first train I saw is only two, yung sa ano daw yun, sa city, sa Portland City. Then later on there, very long talaga.
Yeah.
Hala! Hala! Hala ay, until doon. Hala!
Yeah.
Grabe siya.
Probably 5 miles long.
Sabi ko, ilang kilometro na to. Lumampas-lampas. Lahat ng bridges pinagdaanan na ng train. Ang lubot na sa dulo pa rin.